Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch to your phone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS and that both devices are charged. Place your Apple Watch on your wrist and power it on. Bring your iPhone close to the watch, and a pairing screen should automatically appear on your phone. If it doesn't, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone to begin the process manually. Once the pairing screen appears on your iPhone, tap Continue. You'll then be prompted to use your iPhone's camera to scan an animated pattern displayed on your Apple Watch. Carefully align the watch within the viewfinder on your phone. After successful scanning, you'll be asked if you're setting up the watch for yourself or for a family member. Select the appropriate option to proceed. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you'll be guided through creating a passcode for your Apple Watch, which is important for security and features like Apple Pay. You can also customize settings such as text size and whether you want bold text. Take your time to review these options, as they will affect your daily interaction with the watch. Finally, you'll have the option to install available apps or choose to do this later. Your Apple Watch will then begin syncing data from your iPhone, which might take a few minutes depending on the amount of information. Keep both devices close until the sync is complete. Once finished, your Apple Watch is fully connected and ready for you to enjoy all its features.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.